Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am back again with another video to help you with your German driving license exam preparation. Thank you for your feedback and appreciation so far. It really means a lot and it motivates me to create more such useful contents for you. Please note that the theory lessons that I come up with is purely from an exam standpoint. I have tried not to incorporate something which is not so useful for your exam. At any case, you should still go through your entire exam pack yourself. But attempting them after going through my lessons would be a lot more easier than before. If you have not watched my previous videos, I suggest you watch them. I have created a playlist. I've also spent a lot of my time and effort to create these videos for you, and I'm sure this would be useful for your exam preparation. I shall leave them somewhere in the playlist or the description for easy reference. Let's get started. In this lesson, let's look at some consideration for eco-friendly and fuel-efficient driving. Let's move on with the slides. To save fuel and reduce emissions, turn off your engine during long stops like construction sites, level crossing, loading or unloading. Additionally, avoid high engine revolutions, which means avoid aggressive acceleration. Of course, to save fuel and also to reduce emissions. Let's move on. To maintain your vehicle, ensure regular servicing of air filters, fuel systems, and also ignition. Drive at moderate speeds and avoid rapid acceleration. Also pay attention to dashboard indicators. These are sometimes maintenance indicators, like your tire pressure is low. So watch out for these indicators and take necessary actions. Let's move on to the next slide. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is crucial for improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Underinflated tires can lead to increased fuel consumption, and it also results in tire wear. So optimal tire pressure is important. Let's move on to the next slide. To improve fuel efficiency, use of cruise control is recommended. It helps maintain a constant speed and it reduces fuel consumption. Driving at low engine speeds is also recommended to prevent engine strain and also to improve fuel efficiency. Shifting to higher gears early reduces engine load and it enhances fuel economy. So necessarily driving in the right gear is important. Avoid unnecessary acceleration because it prevents fuel wastage and reduces emissions. Let's move on. Let's look at the impact of vehicle modifications. Avoid modifying engines and exhaust system to prevent increased noise and emissions. This helps maintain vehicle compliance and reduces environmental impact. Let's move on to the next slide. Disposal of used oil and lubricants and car batteries at recycling centers or workshop is an important point to prevent environmental contamination. So you should not dispose these with your normal waste, but there are designated space or spots where you should carefully dispose them. Let's move on to the next. To drive in an environmental friendly manner, remove the non-essential roof boxes. It definitely reduces the drag. Use low resistance tires. It improves fuel efficiency. And use low viscosity engine oil. It enhances engine performance. The benefits of doing all of this, of course, is it enhances fuel efficiency and it also reduces pollution. Let's move on. Let's look at some environmental friendly driving habits. It's recommended to avoid short trips in crowded city centers, so minimize unnecessary travel and reduce exposure to traffic congestion. Use options like carpool, use public transport, bicycles, or even walk when possible. It promotes healthier lifestyle and it's cost effective and environmental friendly. The benefits of sustainable transportation is that it reduces carbon footprint and it decreases traffic congestion. Let's move on to the next slide. It's important to recognize and address vehicle issues as early as possible. So check for excessive smoke emission, for example. Have the vehicle inspected if excessive smoke is observed. Monitor fuel consumption and engine performance. Regularly track fuel usage and engine efficiency. It's about checking your mileage and be conscious of how much fuel is being consumed. And if you see variation, get it checked. Benefits of regular maintenance: ensures vehicle efficiency and it also reduces environmental harm. So let's conclude this chapter. Implementing environmentally conscious driving practices benefits both the driver and the planet. So the call for action for all of you is to adopt sustainable driving habits and contribute to the greener future. That's all with this video. I'll see you in the next one.